How to buy stars token. So before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. And to be able to buy this token, make sure to check their X account and keep following their updates about this token. Make sure to check their Telegram channel too. They include it in their X account. Now this token is available on CoinMarketCap, as you can see. Now to be able to buy this token, make sure to copy the token address here. And remember that this token address, it came under the Ethereum network. Now go and open your wallet. For this, I will use the Bitkit wallet. Now select the network first as Ethereum and click on this plus icon to be able to add this token. Just paste the token address. As you can see, this is our token. Just click on plus icon here. Now go back. And after that, find your token. Wait a few seconds. As you can see, this is our token. Just click on it. Now click on swap. Switch from here. Select the token that you want to buy with, for example, USDT, and make sure you have enough USDT on your wallet. Now type here how much you want to buy. Wait a few seconds. As you can see, this is how much you will receive. After that, it's simple. Just click on buy and you will be able to buy this token. So this is how to buy stars token. If you find this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.